Hi, a happy hoarder here, and welcome to Queens of Christmas Holiday Decor Club, presenting the 12 Days of Christmas Countdown Decor Ideas for 2021. I want to thank our lovely host, Lady Allie of Glam Elegant Living, and her wonderful co-host. Please check out the links to their channels and their videos in the playlist in the description below.
Hi, a happy hoarder here, and my sofa has glitter all over it. Happy holidays! Yay! Anyway, I have more stuff. I'm trying to divide what I had left in half because I'm going to leave day 12 for something very special. Anyway, this is like some really little goodie bags. This one was 75 cents, but it's got the coolest stuff in it. It really does. A couple of things. I hope we're going to be awesome. They look awesome from here, so I'm hoping. Here's the funny story. If you watched any of my other videos, I hope you do, but you watched one where I was doing the Santa, upgrading a Santa. I had a bunch of these, and they're different. Actually, mine I have are different, and this one's a little bit fuller. So yeah, I got some of these, and they had these originally priced for 55 cents, and then they threw them in a goodie bag and put 75 cents on the goodie bag. But yeah, I think these are, I think it's Dollar Tree. Let me see. Yeah, these are the ones from Dollar Tree. Everybody goes nuts over. And yay, so many things you can do with these, including making a little feather tree for your Santa. Once again, I have a video on not how to make a feather tree, which I probably need to do. I need to make a list. I've got so many things I need to do. So I got this. I think this is amazing that I found this. I was so excited for 75 cents, y'all, and this is so sweet. I don't know who did this. It's not signed. I just wish somebody had signed it because I think it's very beautiful little. It's an angel. I don't know if you can tell. It says Gloria in Excelsior and it's Excelsis. Oh, sorry, Excelsis. And it's just a beautiful little piece, and it's got the high glaze on it, and it's got gold and some glitter in it, and it's got kind of a little bit beat up in the from being thrown in a bag. It's a little dense. Hoping I can spray the back and straighten it out some, get some of the dents out. But I love that piece. I am so excited about using that piece right there. I got this adorable, just the sweetest little nativity, little wooden. I'm not going to get this out though. It's just, a little cheap. I don't know, probably didn't cost much more than $1.25 to begin with, but I love it. And it's just the cutest little set. So I need to fix me up a little bitty nativity somewhere because that's adorbs. That is really sweet. But with those, or I can make some ornaments out of this. All right, so I opened up at one of my nights. I can't think what I'm talking about here. Hang on, live streams. Gonna get it out. Thursday night live streams where I opened up the stuff that I bought. But this is something that I already purchased, and I really like these. They're silver plate, and they're really heavy, so they're not like plastic. They're not expensive, but they're in really good shape, and that this is metal versus plastic or resin. So liking those, they say love, joy, peace, and hope on them. See those? A little bit. And so they're kind of tarnished though, which is kind of the rest of my life anyway. So they'll go with everything. So I think I'm really excited about one of my best finds for $3.75. Was the Lennox set of 4 napkin rings, and I have this pattern. I have the holiday pattern, and it's funny because this was like regular $40. From Steinmart. We used to have Steinmarts. I don't know if Steinmarts are still around. And then it was $14.99, and then they gave it to me for $3.75. Yes, good price. So I'm excited about those, even though I have I could use more. I know this is gonna be kind of a short one. Because I have, I didn't finish opening this. Oh my gosh, what happened? This is just this really pretty gold. It's just a cute one, like that. This is a nativity. Yeah, so the nativities, once you get all my nativities together, they look really nice. I love this one. Please be okay. Oh, please be okay. I really like this one. Okay, but I don't understand this. Why is this guy so big? That's some cray-cray. I liked it, except for this guy. See what I'm saying? Oh no, I gotta see a picture of something. How are we gonna do this? Hang on. Let me see what I can do. So I got some paper. Does that help? Well, yeah, that helps. Okay. Yay! so the guy, what is he doing? What is he doing? He's crazy big. He's huge. It doesn't make any sense. I'm about ready to pop him off. He's a shepherd, I guess, but he's gigantic. He's kind of killing the whole vibe. You know what I'm saying? I think he's coming off. That is crazy. Oh, he's glued on good, though. Maybe not. Maybe not. But and he didn't know. I don't know where that came from. That's hilarious. Yeah, I saw it. It was this pretty nativity. Like it was all covered up. I didn't realize it had this gigantic man on it. It does not go with the rest. Because if you look at, you know, the Holy Family, they're little and they're made of kind of wood burning. You know, that process. Laser cut. Yeah. It's not laser cut. He's weird. He's carved, hand carved. I'm hoping these will actually work. It's a miracle. They work. Oh my gosh. Those are amazing. Oh, I'm lighting. Hang on a second. Oh man, I've got lighting now. Look, okay, I'm gonna light up now. You'll be able to see me in the dark. Wow, that is great. Hang on. Uh-oh. Oh no, don't break it. No! Oh, they got a short in them. Oh. Got a short. Yeah. Oh, no. Where are you shorted out, man? I don't know. Figure it out. They're going to be like coming on and off. Let's check out these. These are working too. Yeah, that's working. Maybe you don't have a short in you. Because I unwrapped it really fast and that was not good. Because it didn't like it. I had to stick my husband on that one. Sometimes he can figure these things out. Yay. So those are so cute. I'm not going to dare do that because I'll probably mess them up like I did that one. Yeah, that's got some kind of weird... Where are you shorting out? All right, stay. Don't move. Oh! I got to try and move it. Don't move. All right, so that was maybe 75 cents though. Come on. Turn them off. They're gonna make me cray. Now, if you watched previous video, you know that I had a lonely little Andy. Well, I got another one. Now, this was actually, I think, a good brand though. These were, oh, by the way, these are both 55 cents each. I know. And they're so cute. And he's got his little baker's thing. I actually looked him up and I am gonna list him on eBay. Because he does need to find his Ann. I know I can find him his little mate. So somewhere there is an Ann waiting for you. So that's what I got you for. And then I got more of this stuff. I know, y'all, the cording is so crazy. So I bought all this cording and they had more. So I bought more cording. Because I'm like, I can do something with this. I know I can. I don't even know what I have. I think I got some of these. Did I? No, I think these are different, actually. So these, yeah, really nice. These are very pretty on your table as placemat. I mean, I'm sorry, not placemat. Oh, whatever you want to use them for. Put them around glass. For your tablescape, for napkin rings and things like that. These things were originally $3.99, and I paid $1.75 for the whole bag. So these, let me see if I can get a better shot of these. You know, and I kind of got this thing going. It may work. Is that helping? It does, y'all. Why did I think of this sooner? Look at that. Yeah, so there's 4 of these, and these things are heavy. Those are heavy duty. Okay, I don't know where you're going. I don't want to get tangled. Oh, but there's more, because there's enough for 8, right? Enough for 8. Nice, which is my table it can see 8 people, but not really. It's like 6. If you want to be comfortable. Oh, but there's more because there's a whole nother set. And you know, I think this is a weird color. It's a beautiful red, but it's kind of a rosy red. I don't know if you can see it. It's not like a burgundy. It's got a little bit of a rose color to it. Can you see any of that? No. You see what I'm saying? You can tell it's not like a bluish. It's kind of got a little bit more towards a brown, orangish red. All right, we're just going to call it a rosy red. I think it'll go good in my mom's house. I'm going to try it out because she can see it well. And then all this, lots of this. Oh my goodness, so many things you can do with these things. I know, it's just fun to decorate with. I like to, you know, put them in garland. I like to put them around a wreath. It's just fun. So I have one, it's really one big one right here. I know, such a good deal. Yeah, $1.75. Come on, for 4 of those. And you want to tell you what? That's like $4 each originally. Yeah, I'm never getting this untied. Not today. I'm not. So there's two of these long ones with how many? Everybody got a pony? Yeah, a ponytail. Everybody have a ponytail? No. Got four little tassels on that, and then this thing. We're just gonna just go around. Oh, something. I throw these in like I have a box. I keep all these things in. Yeah, so many purposes for these. Hey, I actually kept this a little bit shorter than the rest. But, yeah, I've still got one more day of this. And I have something special for the 12th. So, be sure you watch tomorrow night when okay, this is 10. I'm going to say Lords of Leaping, right? 10 Lords of Leaping. Pretty sure those are guys because they're lords. And then 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids of milk. And then we're still kind of on the fence about piper. If they were all guys piping and all guys drumming, we'll just decide. As a group, leave a comment below if you think both guys and girls were pipers and drummers. Anyway, thanks for watching, and be sure you check out that playlist for the other people who participated and all the stuff that they did. It's only like, 5 of us, so come on, go watch them. They're fun. Anyway,